Hey.
Oh man.
Be careful though, because one of them.
Yeah, let's have you take that when you put your fingers in her mouth. Let me lead, guys.
Dubai just held the world record for the biggest fireworks show ever.
Disneyland is the best for fireworks.
Guess how many individual pirates were fired? 400,000. Like that's 4. That's 6. That's 8. 400,000. Those are my favorite ones. It's like a precision and then they go squiggly somewhere. I've been neat to
What way? I want to show it to the kids.
That's my favorite. I like this one.
Grandma said she was gonna look at the fireworks from her window. It's just not gonna come out.
Yeah, your uncle can see this from his place, right? Look at him falling off the bridge. That means they're all out. I bet, you know what sucks? They probably meant for it to spend the whole like the bridge. Not like one and off. There it goes.
And they have fireworks on the tower too. The tower over there. Oh.
Oh, they're shaking off the... Oh, all those going up? Oh, yeah. I think you're right. I don't think they're supposed to be all... No, they're all like misfiring on the floor. Oh, that sucks. Those are all supposed to be firing right over there. Oh, yeah. Look at these fireworks behind us. There's the fireworks behind us on the top part. Yeah, that was poorly executed on the bridge. All those sugar are just spraying. I bet there's a bit of damage to that building. I've never done this. Never done this.
Too much purple because the kings.
The Kings.
Yeah.
That's a good point. Maybe they paid for lots of them. I like these ones too. Those ones are really bright in the sky. I love it.
The camera cannot see them.
Fucking amazing. See all the pollution. How much do you think they paid them for this? 100,000? Maybe. I'm gonna say at least 100,000. I start far away this house. Oh, you hear all the back echo on the building. That's what's going on.
Yeah, well, 'cause we don't hear the boom in real time.
Yeah, but we hear that one. But do you hear the over audio
Yeah.
right here? We hear all the echoes on the buildings.
Uh-huh.
Like, I did a good shot.
on, Kimura.
Looks way better on the phone. I think he's more part of it. I just
You adjust like this. You press on where you want it to focus on. If you want it to focus on the bridge, you click on the bridge. If you want it to focus on the firewood, you click on the firewood and you adjust to the firewood light.